welcome to the channel. This is Meredith. If you are new here, what I like to do on this channel is spoilers for subscription boxes. So leave a comment below if you like my style and you would like me to look into other subscription boxes for you. I like doing the research and presenting the information for you all at one time so you can make an informed decision about whether or not you're going to spend your money that month or that quarter. The other thing is related to spoilers is sometimes I do purchase subscription box. So I just actually filmed my subscription box unboxing for the All True Summer Welcome Box. Yeah, it made it here in September, but it is finally here in my possession and I unboxed it with you. And then also sometimes I unbox things that I receive in the mail, either for review or things that I purchased myself. So that is that type of video today. So I have these boxes. And then these days I've also been enjoying kind of doing a vlog series where I kind of just show my regular life as an office worker in New York City. I'm sure it's not everyone's cup of tea, but I personally like watching work week in my life and also weekends in my life. So anyway, that is something I started working on myself just because it's fun for me to look back on what I did. I'm always about a month behind in my editing, so it's kind of fun to like think back to like what I was doing back then. So let me get started. I think I know what this is. I don't know why I'm continuing to get sent these. So this is from Allure, and I'm pretty sure this is a referral gift. Yeah, it's the same referral gift. So basically, I always have the referral link below if you're interested. This one got really banged up. But yeah, if you are interested in Allure, I always have a link in my description box. It's just a personal referral link. It's not like sponsored or anything. But basically, if people use that, I guess I'm getting sent these flower bombs. So sadly, somebody who gets this in a giveaway in the future will have a banged up box, but I promise that the inside is probably fine. I might actually swap it out because I got one last week as well. I can see it right now. The box was a little bit banged up, but it didn't look like this. So I'll probably swap out the boxes just so that somebody will get one that doesn't look quite as bad. But yeah, I will set this aside for a future giveaway. I am hoping to have one when I hit a milestone on my channel here. But yes, this is from Allure, and thank you to whoever clicked the link because now I have an item for my giveaway. So the next one here is from Tresemme via Influenster. This is sent free for review. This is very heavy, so I hate. Okay, wow, this is like full-on like shampoo and conditioner. So this is the new Pro Collection. It's formulated with our most advanced technologies. Whether you're in need of damage protection, care for curls, or an extra boost of moisture, the Pro Collection features 7 unique variants to meet your hair needs and help you achieve salon quality results right at home. Okay, so let's see which ones I was sent. I hope it's not the curl ones because I don't have curled hair or like curly hair. Oh, I don't know if I need these either. I mean, I'll review them, but it's for colored hair. So I have very natural hair. Like I don't put any product in it. I don't color my hair or anything. But these are the Keratin Smooth Color. And this one is sulfate-free, anti-fade, intense color, lock and gloss. And I got a shampoo and a conditioner. And then, let's see here. Luxury fragrance. It is designed with anti-fade technology to prolong color and extend the time between coloring, leaving hair looking luminously vibrant and glossy for up to 60 days. So I mean, if my hair looks luminously vibrant and glossy, I'm happy about it, but I don't need the color protection. But I guess thank you to Tresemme. It does smell quite nice. So I'm using Tresemme right now, just like the regular one, but this one smells different. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like a pear scent. Yeah, it's kind of like a pear fruity scent. So I'm very excited to use these shampoos and conditioners because I was actually just thinking about it this morning in the shower, how I was like almost out of shampoo and I needed to figure out what to buy next. Okay, the final item in today's short unboxing is this. And I know what's in here because I bought it. It's from Nordic Ware. So basically, I bought this on Macy's because Macy's was having a huge home sale. And then it was like 30% off, already reduced prices. And then on top of that, I have Rakuten. Again, if you want to use my link below, it's just a personal referral link. I think it gets you $10 to $20 cash back. I don't remember if they're running a promotion right now. But yeah, it's pretty good. Actually, I use it and then I usually get, I think it's like once quarterly, you get a check based on what you buy. In the terms of the cashback. So it was having a 10% cashback from Rakuten. So I think I paid only like $15 for this, and this is a really good brand. So this is from Nordic Ware, and now let me open it. Let me just say that Nordic Ware really knows how to market They're like products. So it comes in like butcher paper with the logo on it. Is that upside down? No, it's not upside down. So I think that this is like really good marketing because it's like, it's kind of exciting. It's not just like boring tissue paper. Plus it's like butcher paper. And I think honestly, you can probably use this as like gift wrap if you want to reuse it and like do stamping and stuff. I'm not creative enough or artsy enough to do that, but let me open it. Okay, so I pulled it out and this is what I bought. So basically, if you're following along with me on my vlog, you know that I only have one sheet pan, and sometimes I like making a lot of things when I have the oven already preheated, because otherwise it just is like a lot of heat for no reason. So I decided to buy this Naturals aluminum bakeware, the big sheet pan. It's 21 by 15 by 1 inch, or 53.34 centimeters by 38.10 centimeters by 2.54 centimeters, and it's natural aluminum. The superior heat conductivity of aluminum ensures consistent, evenly browned results are achieved every time you bake. And it has lifetime durability and it will never rust. It's reinforced and encapsulating rim, prevents warping. It's professional grade, made in America, if that's something that you're interested in. But yeah, basically very excited to have this pan in my life, because actually my other pan is rusting and it's also warped. So if this actually works, that'll be great. The only issue is like I might be moving and this might not fit in all of the ovens in New York. They also have like mini ovens in New York. They're not like toaster oven size, but they're also like not full size. They're like maybe 3/4 to 2/3 size, the actual oven. So we will see. Let's see. Okay, I was going to say this, but I didn't know if it was 100% sure. This is a Minnesota company. I mean, we've driven past it. I know they have an outlet store in Minnesota as well. So happy to support a local hometown sort of company here. This actually feels like really nice. I was a little bit worried when it came because I didn't think it was going to be this shiny, just because it looked a little bit not what I expected, but I do think this feels like it's pretty good quality as well. So very excited with my purchase. I have another thing coming. It got delayed because of the hurricane. No fault to anyone except for Mother Nature. So it will be coming eventually and I'll unbox that. I'm very excited for that product actually. So keep tuned for that. So yeah, that was everything. It's a very short video for today. I'm sure that you are very refreshed at how short the video is. But leave a comment below if you have any comments or questions about anything, and I'll try to find the links for anything and I'll put them below as well. Yeah, that's about it. So talk to you later. Bye.